So we're here at the London Motorcycle Show. I'm here with Milo from Kawasaki, and today we're going to talk to you about the new Kawasaki Ninja 125. It's fresh there into the 125 market from Kawasaki. It's good to see. What can you tell us about this bike?
Yeah, so the 125s, the Z and the Ninja, the market's been asking for them for a long time, and then we've finally come up with the goods. And when we're doing the market research for the new bikes, the questions that we're asking were, what do you look for in a 125? And not surprisingly, the single most biggest factor that younger learner riders are looking for is the actual styling of the bike. It needs to look good, it needs to look cool. The next closest one was the brand, so a strong brand, and that comes down to obviously something that's reputable. You know, Kawasaki's been around for many years. We've got the quality bikes there and performance as well as in our DNA. But look, we've met all the needs with the new Ninja 125 and the Z 125, and it comes down to, if you've seen our marketing campaign, the toughest choice. They're similar, like the foundations of the bikes is pretty much the same, but the styling makes them a complete different options, right? And the toughest choice is, which one do you go for? Are you more of a Ninja person or a super naked person for the Z?
It's definitely going to be a difficult decision for many, I'm sure. It comes in with a 11-litre fuel tank. So are we thinking the fuel kind of economy is going to be around the 100 miles per gallon kind of area, or are we waiting to see?
Yeah, look, you find the specs on the website and everything's available there, but obviously being a 125, you're not going to use too much fuel and it's going to be economical around town. And that's perfect for the learner riders, right? I mean, that's exactly what they're looking for. And also your introduction to motorcycling, I mean, you couldn't ask for something much better than that. I mean, it ticks all the boxes, doesn't it?
I know we've personally been waiting for a Ninja at 125 level for so long. It's so awesome to see it there. And the thing is, you've now got the whole range. Work your way from the bottom, if you so wish, all the way up to the top. And the thing is, it has got that Ninja styling. There's no disagreeing there. It looks just like all the other Ninjas. It is a stunning looking bike.
It's got that big bike look and feel. The only thing that kind of gives it away is the tyres. They're a little bit skinnier than the leader sports bikes and the 600s.
And it's a bike that comes with decent spec on it in regards to, you haven't just gone with budget parts in this at all. With the exhaust system you got on there, the screen, the dial, everything. You haven't scrimped on this at all. It is a premium bike for your money.
Yeah, 100%. And one look at it, and you can definitely see that there's a quality finish. Not only the paintwork, but the plastics and everything lines up perfectly. So you can be confident there that you're getting a good bang for buck.
Definitely, with the Arrows exhaust system on there as well, it looks the part.
It looks the part. It's got a nice sound to it as well. I wish I could start one up for you here, but unfortunately can't do that indoors.
Nice one. Thank you very much for your time.
Excellent. Thanks, mate.
Oh no.